Listen, if someone had told me that a simple black and white fermented mixture you can make in your own kitchen would push hens to start laying non-stop, I would have laughed. But after doing my research and testing this fermented milk charcoal blend on a struggling flock that had completely slowed down, the results were unbelievable. Hens that had stopped laying suddenly kicked back into gear. Eggs became bigger, shells got stronger, and the production graph just kept climbing. I was very amazed that a traditional naturally fermented product in East Africa can be turned into a formula that restores chicken gut health, boosts immunity, improve calcium absorption, and help layers push out more eggs consistently. And this formula is so simple that you can prepare it on your farm without buying any chemical additives at all. I want to reveal to you one of the most powerful natural gut strengthening supplements for layer chickens, a combination of charcoal and fermented milk inspired by the traditional mursik fermentation concept. Before we dive deep, do me a favor, hit the like button so this information reaches more farmers, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Now, let's start by addressing something most farmers don't realize. 90% of the diseases we struggle with in poultry begin in the gut. When the gut is weak, everything else collapses, feed intake drops, immunity drops, egg production slows down, broilers lose weight, droppings become watery, and birds become extremely sensitive to stress. This is why today's supplement is so important. Charcoal cleans the gut. Fermented milk fills the gut with life. Combined, they produce one of the cleanest, most balanced, most resilient digestive environments a chicken can have. At this point, I want you to understand the power behind it before we go deeper into the benefits. To prepare it, you simply mix clean milk with fine food-grade charcoal powder and allow it to ferment naturally until it thickens slightly and develops that mild, sour aroma or the fermentation smell that tells you it is ready to be used. Once ready, you add a few milliliters of this charcoal fermented milk mixture per liter of drinking water for your chickens. And the reason this formula works so well and why we use this combination instead of random herbs or shortcuts is because charcoal acts like a powerful detoxifier, sweeping toxins and harmful metabolites out of the gut, while fermented milk supplies high populations of lactic acid bacteria that rebuild the gut wall, restore enzymes, strengthen immunity, and improve nutrient absorption. Together, they create a gut environment that is cleaner, stronger, more stable, and far more resistant to disease. And now that you understand what it is, let's go deeper into why this mixture is so powerful by looking at how it actually works inside the chicken system.
What sets apart millionaire poultry farmers from normal farmers? One thing: feed formulation. You've probably heard that making your own poultry feeds is cheaper and more profitable, but when you go online, all you find is scattered information, complicated software, and people talking theory instead of showing you how it's actually done. That's exactly why we at Agribusiness Insider spent the last 8 months creating something no one else has, a complete poultry feed formulation course designed to take you from zero knowledge to formulating professional broiler and layer feeds in just 1 weekend. You'll get 5 easy-to-understand modules that explain everything from ingredient selection and nutrient balancing to actual feed mixing. You'll also receive our powerful Excel-based feed formulation software with over 80 preloaded ingredients. Just key in your data and get instant feed formulas customized for your chickens. And because we believe in hands-on practical learning, we've added 8+ step-by-step video tutorials and a software operation guide, so you'll never get stuck at any point. Believe me, we have checked, and there is nothing like this that exists anywhere on the internet. Now, for a limited time, you can get 15% off the full package and gain free access to our future live feed formulation webinars, where we answer all your feed formulation and poultry questions one-on-one. Remember, our organic poultry farming ebook is still yours to grab. To get a lifetime access to the course and the ebook, click the first link in the description of this video or scan this QR code, or contact me directly on WhatsApp at +254 726 717 251 for any assistance. This special offer will not be on for long, so click the first link in the description now and unlock lifetime access before it's closed.
One of the first things charcoal does is bind toxins, and I'm not talking about just simple toxins. I mean mycotoxins from bad maize, aflatoxins from stored feeds, molds, harmful bacterial toxins, chemical residues, and even the toxic byproducts from feed stored in humid rooms. Many farmers don't know this, but even a small level of moldy feed can reduce egg production in layers by up to 20%. With charcoal in the gut, those toxins don't get absorbed into the bloodstream. they get trapped and pushed out through the droppings. And this one action alone brings a noticeable improvement. Birds start standing taller, their eyes become brighter, their appetite returns, their droppings tighten, their breathing sounds clearer, and their stress visibly reduces. At the same time, the fermented milk delivers lactic acid bacteria, the good soldiers. These bacteria colonize the crop, intestines, and caeca, fighting off harmful microbes by competing for space and nutrients. They also release natural antimicrobial compounds that reduce the load of E. coli, salmonella, and clostridia. For layers, this is huge. A balanced gut means more nutrient absorption. More nutrient absorption means stronger shells. Stronger shells mean fewer cracks, fewer soft-shelled eggs, and more consistent laying week after week. And while the charcoal is binding the toxins, the probiotics from fermented milk are repairing the gut lining. They enhance the height and health of the intestinal villi, those tiny finger-like structures responsible for nutrient absorption. When villi are damaged, birds eat but don't benefit. When villi are healthy, every gram of feed counts. This is why broilers on probiotics grow uniform and heavy. And for layers, healthy villi mean better calcium absorption. Calcium goes directly into shell formation and bone strength. So a layer on fermented milk does not only lay more eggs, she lays stronger eggs. Another powerful effect is the correction of watery droppings. Charcoal absorbs excess moisture and binds watery toxins, while probiotics restore the normal flora. In just 24 to 48 hours, droppings usually firm up. The litter becomes drier. Ammonia smell reduces dramatically. And with less ammonia, your birds breathe better. It may sound small, but that reduction in ammonia-triggered respiratory irritation is one of the reasons farmers notice the reduced coughing and better nighttime breathing in their birds just days after introducing this mixture. But let me tell you something many farmers overlook. Fermented milk increases digestive enzymes naturally. These enzymes help break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats more efficiently. What this means for broilers is faster growth. What this means for layers is better conversion of feed into eggs. This is why the mixture improves feed efficiency significantly. Birds start to eat less but produce more. You save money on feed without compromising productivity. And if your layers are on the older side, this mixture helps them maintain laying strength without sudden drops. Another striking benefit comes after antibiotic use. Antibiotics wipe out both good and bad bacteria. That is why many birds suffer from diarrhea immediately after treatment. Charcoal flushes out chemical residues, while fermented milk replaces the lost good bacteria quickly. This accelerates recovery, reduces stress, and restores appetite far faster than leaving the gut to heal on its own. Now, you may be asking, how do you make this supplement? Here is a well laid out procedure to use. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot or note the procedure somewhere for later use. Something to note is that for routine purposes, supplement this mixture 2 to 3 days per week. Before we wrap up, let me give you a gentle warning. Never use industrial charcoal. Always use food-grade charcoal powder. Industrial charcoal contains contaminants that can harm birds. Also, do not overdose. More charcoal is not better. At high levels, it can bind nutrients. Stick to safe levels. 30 milliliters of the fermented mixture per liter of drinking water 2 to 3 days per week. If this video has helped you,
remember to get your organic poultry ebook in the first link in the description of this video, or reach out to me on WhatsApp via the link also in the description.
Also make sure to tap the video on your screen right now where I teach another natural mix that gets poor layers, get to lay non-stop. Again, a must watch for every serious poultry farmer.